Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a design that I've been working on for a project that I'll discuss a little bit more in the future. It is a fully parameterized ball valve. Now to demonstrate that, I've added a joint right here. So right now the valve is in the open position, and then with a 90-degree turn you can get the valve in the closed position. And as a little proof of concept, we made a glasses box from a previous lesson, and I had that, and I noticed that it could hold water. So then when I made this, I knew it should hold water, but I know this is definitely very different, since the glasses box was like one component, and this is definitely like two, because it has a valve in the pipe. And the little gap I had, the little tolerance I added, was just enough that the water could come out. So what I did was, what I hope to do, is add a rubber ring around here. Just imagine that blue was a rubber ring. That should fix the problem, hopefully, and I can have it watertight. And like I said, it is fully parameterized, which I think is a really cool feature about this. So right now it's at 20 millimeters, and this is the valve diameter. And most of these parameters are based off of that. So if I make it from 20 millimeters to 40, get a bigger valve, and everything else will correspond. I can even make it sizes up to 100, and then you get this weird, massive valve. Or even for fun, you can get 150 or 200. You get these massive valves. But I do not want a 200 millimeter valve. I want a 20. Let me zoom back in. Now, if you've noticed, there's this line right here, and that is basically because right now this is not the proper orientation we printed in. There would be way too many supports, and it's just all unnecessary. So I just split up the pipe in the left half of the pipe and the right half. And basically, when I go to print it, it'll be in this orientation right here. Basically, there will be all supports needed here on the base of the valve, and then supports where the rubber ring will go. And it's just a really cool project that I've been working on, and I thought I would show it because Paul McWhorter was talking about a design that you've used with Revolve, and this actually used Revolve a couple of times, and I think it's actually pretty interesting to see the design being made. Let me get the sketches on. So for those of you who want to watch this stuff, you're welcome to stay on, but for those of you who want to go, bye. But here is the design history.